And now, as we look at what is just still a little bit of red on the markets here, Dow, I don't know. We've got 3 minutes left. Could the Dow hit the green line? And what does that mean for the greater picture of what's happening for the quarter? We bring in asset management co-founder Jordan Kimmel of Fact Asset. Hey, Jordan, I just want to get this right out. The pauses that we see, everyone starts to say, oh, that's it. That's the end of the bull market. What do you say?
Well, you know, Liz, I've been really bullish on the market all the way since the bottom in '09. I've been telling people, think longer term, act longer term. There was so much pessimism in the market. Now, there's still a lot of pessimism by individual investors, but I'm going to tell you that something you normally don't hear from me, we are long in the tooth in this bull market. I think there is no bad news. The economic numbers look great. It's when the wall of worry gets climbed that you have to worry. And so I love our positions. We're in really high quality stocks, but you're not in the point of the cycle where you're going to be bailed out by the market itself. And that's something that newcomers have to recognize.
Well, then what names fit into your parameters of what you just talked about?
Right. So I'm looking at a couple turnaround situations right now. You know, this country is talking about more manufacturing. We don't even make robots here. What we do lead is in 3D. So 3D Systems was a company I came across literally 2 decades ago. It had a magnificent run, and then it got beaten all the way down.
Sure did, yeah.
3D Systems actually is ranking on my model right now, and strangely enough, you're seeing you know, even coal companies starting to look a little bit better. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. I've learned to trust my model. CLF is in my model. It's got a full position right now. And 2 years ago, I would have never guessed it, but this is what being reactive and looking at your model is telling me to do. So there's a lot of really high-quality names.
Is that a President Trump play? I mean, he's been very supportive of bringing back or trying to rejuvenate coal.
I know, and it might be, Liz. The idea is that this started to bottom out 6 months ago, and so I don't know, a whole lot of people were predicting Trump at that time, but the big message is you want to think about quality. Our whole facts model is about the most trustworthy companies in America. It's their management, it's their board, it's their treatment of all their stakeholders, and then the shareholders get taken care of.
Good point, good point. Hey, Jordan, great to see you. Jordan Kimmel, Fact Asset Management. Close the book on the first trading day of the quarter and of the month. There's the closing bell. The Dow doesn't look like it's going to quite make it, down about 11 points, but